Inert gas system. Preparation and start supply. Inert gas system is used for inerting the tank ullage space. It is also used to replace the capacity of cargo discharged from tank. The gas supply capacity is regulated at greater than 1.25 times the maximum discharge capacity. It must be kept in good condition while discharging cargo and crude oil washing. Oxygen analyzing units should be checked and calibrated before starting to supply inert gas. Maintain close communication between deck and engine department when IGS is started. Keep the deck water seal pump running at all times to maintain a water level in the deck seal. Line up on deck IG line. Confirm that IG branch valve is opened. NYK requires vessels owned by NYK to be equipped with a compound gauge of each cargo tank. This is to monitor the current tank pressure, even if the IG branch valve is isolated accidentally. Start running the scrubber cooling water pump before entering port. Open the IG isolating valve. After opening the IG isolating valve, secure the valve with the valve key and return it to the chief officer. Shut the atmosphere valve. Open IG fan suction valve before starting IGS. Change IGS mode from navigation to inert gas mode. Open the boiler uptake valve. Push start button of the IG fan. After delivery pressure of IG fan increases, delivery valve will open automatically. Crew in the IG fan room should check IG fan running condition and report to our ECR. The inert gas will be discharged to the atmosphere if setting pressure is lower than the IGS line pressure. Confirm that the oxygen concentration of the inert gas to be less than 5% in volume. Supply of inert gas into cargo tank must be started before the start of discharging cargo. Prevent negative pressure in the cargo tank, as it can cause serious damage to the tank. Emergency shutdown system of cargo pumps will activate when IG pressure reaches below 1 kilopascal to prevent damage to the cargo tank construction. During automatic operation mode of IGS, the IG mainline pressure is adjusted to the pressure setting.